Hey guys, it's Jamila. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. And just want to say, I just came back from downtown Dallas watching the fireworks. It was better to me, actually, I think last year because they had the drones. And of course, this year they didn't have the drones because of that situation in Florida. I think it was Florida where, some drones fell down and hurt some people. And so it was okay, but, it could have been a lot better. But either way, I'm definitely thankful for another year. And the fireworks are great. I did take a video. It's not the best because I couldn't get to the spot I was trying to get to, but I'll post it, after this portion of the video. You can watch it at the end if you like to. But I just want to talk about like a few resolutions I have for 2025. First of all, my birthday is in January, so I celebrate the whole month long personally. I get like a lot of different like freebies and like buy one get one, free desserts, free meals, and little gifts from different businesses that I shop at throughout the year. And I'll post some of that later on in the month as it comes, of course. But my first resolution is to take more time, like take more time off. For example, you guys know I do work a full-time job, like a 9-to-5, so to speak, and I do my reselling and thrifting part-time, to supplement my income. And then it's like my birthday I'm already off, and I took that next day off as well. And also too, coming up of course in February is Valentine's Day. And this Valentine's Day, it falls on a Friday. So we have, most folks, they have the weekends off. We have Friday, there's Saturday and Sunday, and then that Monday following it is actually President's Day. So I've already requested to take time off to have that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off to give myself a 4-day weekend which I could do whatever I want to do with that, as I so choose or please. So that's one thing I would suggest to people. Just don't forget to take some time off. Take time off for yourself. Don't forget, use your vacation time. Of course, if your job has it, use your sick time, use your PTO or paid time off time. Use your personal days. Use that time, because if you don't use it, usually you lose it, and sometimes you wind up wishing you would have taken it. So the second thing, resolution, I guess, in regards to thrifting is that I want to start to get like more like dresses. Usually I go for like graphic tees, women's blouses. I want to start to incorporate more dresses, more skirts, also like jumpers and like rompers. I really don't seem to buy a whole lot of those, but most recently the last few sales I've had, they have been dresses, and so I kind of want to get more of those and get those incorporated into my reselling. And also too, I think I'm gonna kind of like just stop with the men's clothes. I have like a few men's items right now, but like once they sell, I'll probably just stop buying those. I only kind of pick them up every now and then, every once in a while, because maybe it's like a good deal, or I think it's a good brand or something. It's like really affordable, but I'll probably just stick to ladies' clothes. Also too, on the kids' clothes, I have like a few items, but again, once they sell, I'll probably just like not pick up any more children's clothes, because I personally, I'm not married, I don't have children, so when it comes to like the men's clothes, I don't have like a vast knowledge of like a lot of it, I guess. And then on the children's clothes, kind of the same thing. I pick it up because I think it's cute, or it's just affordable, or it's in great condition or something like that. But going forward, I'll probably just stick to ladies' clothes. And also too, I want to start being more picky on like the different kind of fabrics that I pick up. So I'm going to do a whole different video on fabrics, but this year or earlier in the year, I picked up like a merino wool sweater. I never have seen an affordable like cashmere item, and I want to try to get like more like things like silk, 100% cotton, things that are very like durable and last a long time. When it comes to like blends, those are good, but sometimes like the better fabrics cost more, so I try to stay with like within $5 or less per item that I thrift, because again, this is part-time. So when I see people doing videos and they're talking about, oh, I paid $20 for, you know, a item and I sold it for 200. To me personally, $20 is like a whole lot to pay for one item, you know, hoping it sells for like 150 or 200. So I'm not just quite at that level yet, but you know, someday I will be. And that brings me to like another resolution. You know, just trying diligently to definitely be more intentional with my thrifting, with my reselling, also with like building my small community here, building my channel, so that maybe like 2026, 2027, 2028, who knows, I can, you know, actually be like a full-time reseller, because you know, resellers sometimes get a bad reputation, like a bad rep, and it's like they, you know, we really shouldn't, because you know, like in my personal opinion, like all these companies that sell things, they're reselling it too. They get it, you know, overseas for literally like nothing. They, you know, inflate the price 2,000%, and they make their profit. And that's just been, you know, going on since the dawn of time, when you had like barter and trading. I mean, there's always had been a way for someone to get the goods and services that they need. So someone's always on the, you know, the giving end, and someone's always on the receiving end. And at some point you got a middleman there, and you know, sometimes you don't. But either way, you know, just focusing, you know, on being more intentional, like, you know, making sure I post my videos to you guys, you know, keeping constant communication with you guys, and it's, you know, kind of like get feedback from you, like what do you want to see more of, what do you want to see less of, what, you know, what do you think is going good, you know, what do you think is going not so good. You can always, you know, comment down below in the comment box, description box, or comment box, I should say. And yeah, you know, just trying to, you know, like I said, build the channel, get more pieces for you guys, you know, list more consistently. Because again, I started in October of last year, you know, starting trying to list more items, you know, make sure I'm on more platforms, make sure I upload more videos, and being more serious about this. So I'm really excited to see where I will be in October of this year versus October of last year, when I started getting a lot more serious about it. And of course, you guys are going to be along with me on the journey. And I think, I guess maybe like my last resolution is just to kind of like take the good with the bad. You know, as I've grown older, and of course, you know, become like more wise and more mature, you know, certain like phrases I've heard all my life, like when you get lemons, make lemonade, or, you know, do you see the glass, you know, half empty or half full? You know, for me, it's definitely half full. It's taken me a long time to truly understand that meaning. But it's like, you have to, you know, be grateful in life and have gratitude, you know, be positive, always optimistic, you know, take the good with the bad. And, you know, just be grateful and thankful. Like, I'm blessed to, you know, see this new year. You know, some people didn't, and it's unfortunate. And I just want to do a lot with, you know, my time that I have here, and do like some positive things in my life, and, you know, just be grateful. So, you know, that's pretty much, you know, just it. I'm gonna, you know, for sure post some more videos about, like, you know, Capricorns, about my birthday, about freebies. Actually, again, today is, you know, New Year's Day. It is Wednesday, and I'm so excited. I'm actually off my 9 to 5 today, and so later on in the day, I'm gonna go to sleep and get back up, but I'm gonna go to some thrift stores. I'm sure some are open, and post a video later on today, you know, about that. Just start my new year off right with some thrifting, I think, because even though I do work like full-time, working 9 to 5, like thrifting, I will never get tired of it, whether it's for myself or whether I'm trying to find something I can, like, you know, resell and list and post. So I never get tired of thrifting, or shopping for that matter. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and you know, connect that video behind this one from the fireworks downtown. I will say it was like a little bit crazy. Somebody like had already crashed out their car, which it wasn't even midnight yet. I don't know what happened, how it happened. You will see like a fire truck coming through. That was for that person. And I'll just leave the audio on, I guess, raw as it came. And yeah, I was downtown Dallas at the Reunion Tower. Some people call it the Ball. I did not, again, have the best view because I didn't get where I was trying to get to, like, well, my normal spot I would get to. But I was down close to, like, the Greyhound Center where they, like, I don't know if they fix buses there or if they just house them there, but it was like a McDonald's, a Popeyes, and a bunch of Bell Bonds places. And when you watch the video, off to the far right as possible, those fireworks were just like from, I guess, people, like from bystanders. It wasn't even part of the one from the city or whoever does the Reunion Tower fireworks. So, but anyway, yeah, I hope you guys, have a good, new year. I hope you guys have a good January. All my fellow Capricorns, whether you're December or January, Capricorns, we are the true goats. That's our sign. We do start the year, we do end the year. There is no sign like us. And so, hope you guys have a good, evening, and I will see you in the next video.